I'll work my way around the edge. I'm going to turn my squeegee. I'm going to come back behind me. Then I'm going to switch my hands. I'm going to continuously work from behind me to in front of me in a U-shape coating this board. I'm never going to pull the material out to nothing where I don't have any on the edges or like that. I'm also never going to start in the middle of an area because I can leave myself marks. I don't want marks. I want it to be nice and flat. Cheat a little bit there. Okay, so I'm always going to push that puddle. I'm always going to keep this puddle in front of my squeegee. You're also going to always see me when I'm doing this. I'm either starting from off the material into it, or I'm starting off the board into the material. I'm never going to come in and start like that because now I have a mark there. And we don't like marks. I'm also going to make sure that I'm keeping my squeegee in front of the puddle. You're not going to see me come in like this because now I have a mark, another line that I have to fix. Whereas if I keep my squeegee in front of that puddle, I don't have to worry about that. I'm also not going to walk in this once I get to this point. I'm not going to go back out and walk in it. So if you have an area that needs to be repaired or fixed, make sure it gets done before you move on, like this little area right there. Then I'm going to come off my edge, back in. Okay, let's dump that texture babe on here. About 3/4 of it, please. Can you rinse this off for me? About 3/4. Right in the middle. What? A little more. That's good. If I need more, we'll get it. This is a gauge rake. It has special cams on the edges that keep my gauge at a certain depth, so I can control my nice even depth of my material. I have this set at 6 mm, 1/4 inch, and that's what I want. So I'm going to push my material. Things I want to watch out for when I'm doing this, I don't want to raise my squeegee or my, my gauge rake, and I don't want to lower it because then I'm changing my thickness of my floor. So I'm raising it a little bit because I'm stuck here at the wall, but I'm trying to control that. I actually should be doing it from over here. That way I can keep a nice consistent thickness. I'm staying a little bit away from my edges as well, you'll notice. And that is because if I come over here and my cam falls off that edge, now I have no thickness here and a higher thickness here. I don't want to do that. I want it all to be uniform thickness